Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be doing a Goodwill haul. I'm going to show you what I found, my local Goodwill. And what happens is I do go every Sunday. I used to go every Monday, but it's every Sunday now. My daughter and I, my older daughter, she's 39 years old now. She turned 39 in August. But her and I take her to the store. She doesn't have a license, a driver's license or anything. She's disabled. So I take her shopping. And that's the day her and I go to Goodwill and, you know, just have fun together for a few hours. So I'm going to go ahead and show you my finds. I will be also drawing a winner for one of the books that I had a giveaway for. And it's going to be the book Stay Another Night. So I will let you know who's going to win that. The people are in here that entered it, so we'll do that too. All right, first thing I have to show you is the new tags I found at Goodwill. Of course, I have to start there. So it's this one here, and this was $4.99. My local Goodwill, everything is $4.99, but there's the tag still attached. I think this is sold at Kohl's, the Croft and Barrow. I don't know. But it's just a white cardigan. And yeah, I can definitely use this now that I'm going back to work. So, nice. Brand new. I'm happy with it. So, I actually need a black cardigan, and I did end up ordering one from Temu. So I've got my fingers crossed that, crossed here, not like this, crossed. I've got my fingers crossed that it's going to be made well. I don't know. I did go crazy earlier, I don't know, last year or the year before, and bought a bunch of cardigans from Temu, and come to find out the buttonholes, like the buttons are all there, but when you don't have it buttoned, the buttonholes are unfinished, so they look like just little tears in the fabric. And I'm hoping that's not the case for this one that I ordered. Oh gosh, I was so mad. I ended up giving, you know, donating a bunch of those to Goodwill. But you know, they look fine if it's buttoned, but if it's not buttoned, it looks unfinished. So, and for me, I like to wear them unbuttoned. So I don't know, maybe someone will get some use out of them. But oh, did I? Yeah, I already showed you that one. This is by Sage Harbor. Is that how to say it? Sag Harbor? Harbor? I don't know. And it's like one of those shirts that look like it's two, but it's one. So it's just a pretty blue sweater, and I like it a lot. Yeah. It looks new to me. I don't know. I see nothing wrong with it. I don't see that it's even been washed before. Not sure. The tag still looks perfect. Like, not sure again if it's ever even, well, yeah, I don't even know if it's ever been washed. You know how you can kind of tell with the tags if they look kind of old, and like this is the tag on the inside, still looks brand new. So I don't know. It says to dry flat. Yeah, it's pretty. So I did try all this stuff on. It all fits. This is by Rachel Zoe or Rachel Zoe. I'm not sure. I think it's Rachel Zoe. I'm not sure. But it's just it's a sweater. And it says on there, good vibes. I don't know. I mean, Rachel Zoe or Zoe, I think is a really good brand, isn't she? But when I saw it, I was thinking, because it said good vibes, I wasn't too sure if I was, you know, if I wanted that on my sweater, but I think that's what it says, good vibes. Pretty sure. So what am I going to do a thumbnail with? Let me do a thumbnail with my new with tags cardigan, because I like to do it new with tags from Goodwill. That's going to be my title again. Why not? So there, good enough. Okay, and then I got this. This is just another cardigan. It's by Hollister. And it's heavy and it's nice. So definitely now that I'm back to work, I want some warm clothes that aren't just all hoodies. Something a little nicer than a hoodie. But yeah, it's nice. And it's a good brand. I'm sure it'll last a long time. So it's got the little Hollister tag on the bottom there. I don't know if I like it there. I might take it off. It's a little distracting to me when I wear it. That was like the first thing that I saw when I looked down and saw that. This was also, yeah, $4.99. So prices are all good. This is a sweater that has a hood. It is by, I don't know, by Pink Republic. It looks like it has been loved by somebody. $4.99. And it is cute. And I love the color again. And yeah, I think it was a pretty good deal. I don't know, I love to go to Goodwill and find some good deals. This is just a sweatshirt, but I liked it. I like the looks of it. It's by D&N Company, Denim and Company, right here. Yeah, I like this. Fits, it's warm, it looks new to me, feels new to me, so I don't know. I mean, it is new to me. I don't know if it's new, but it's new to me. Made in QIZ Jordan. Okay. So nice. I like that. And then I got this. Boy, this is going to be a short video. That's okay. This is a Liz Claiborne. It's just like for under my clothes, I'm thinking, more or less. I don't think I'd wear this out, you know, as just a shirt. Maybe with a cardigan over it. Maybe that would look okay. Like this cardigan over it. Huh. But it's more like a thermal, like undershirt type of thing. But it's pretty. I like the, you know, how it gradually changes to a darker color on the bottom. So there's that. Then I've got one more thing. I love this little top right here. It's got like a little like ruffle on the top. It's by Loft. And don't think this is brand new, you guys. I'm not really sure. I mean, it doesn't look like anything's wrong with it at all. Let's see the tag inside. I can't tell if this has been worn. I don't see a tag in here. Either it's been ripped out or maybe Loft, isn't that Ann Taylor? Maybe they don't have the tags inside the shirts. I'm not sure. But yeah, it's cute. I like it a lot. I like the sleeves, like the little lace detail. So yeah. There's that. All right, so that is my Goodwill haul for the last 2 Sundays. And I'm going to go ahead and draw for the book, Stay Another Night. And if you are the winner, you have to be in the United States. You have to be subscribed to me. And today is Tuesday, I don't know the date, the 30th? Is it the 30th? When is Ipsy Pick Day? It's the 30th. Yeah, I think Ipsy Pick Day. Off topic here. Isn't it Ipsy Pick Day tomorrow? I don't know. Let me see. Ipsy. Let me go to Ipsy. I'm curious because I don't want to miss Ipsy Pick Day. That would be awful. Ipsy. I hate when I miss Ipsy Pick Day. It's not today, right? Let me just make sure it's not today. I already did the small Ipsy bag pick, but I'm talking about the bigger one, the $30 Ipsy bag. Let's see. The BoxyCharm, I guess is what they call it now. Upcoming. Okay, so Ipsy Match, I guess, is tomorrow. Yeah. All right. Just wanted to make sure. Don't want to miss that. All right. So let's go ahead and draw. So again, today was the 30th and it's Tuesday. I will give you until Thursday night to get a hold of me, either through email or Instagram. And let me go ahead and draw the winner. Both my email and my Instagram are in my description box for you. So let's see who won. Oh. April Loves Cats Forever. So you won the first book in my 3-book giveaway. So I will be giving away another book shortly. Not sure when. If I do another video this week, probably I will draw another winner. And April, just because you won this book does not mean that you are not eligible to win the other ones. I will, if you enter to win the other ones, if I could speak, if you enter to win the other ones, your name will still go in there for the other ones as well. So April Loves Cats Forever, you won. Get a hold of me by Thursday night. Greatly appreciated. Wow, this is a short video. That's okay, huh? No one wants to watch me longer than they have to. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, subscribe, comment down below. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.